What's going on YouTube? This is Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors, bring you guys another video. I hope you guys are liking the videos that I'm putting out. If you guys have any new suggestions of videos, please let me know in the comments. Make sure you mash that like button. All right guys, in this video I'm going to tell you guys 3 things. If you have a failing fuel injector, a clogged fuel injector, or you simply have one that's stuck open. Yes, they can be stuck open as well. So watch this video from beginning to end and you'll find out exactly how. So pretty much the first thing that I want to talk about is if you have a clogged fuel injector. So if you look right there, I don't know if you guys can see, I'm trying to zoom in. You have like 6 little holes right there. So what happens a lot of times if you're running your car, if you put poor fuel in your car, if there's any debris in your fuel system from wherever you got gas at, or just wear and tear over time, you can generally get these clogged up. And the only sad part about getting these clogged up is once they're clogged up, you pretty much have to take off the intake manifold. And I did a video on how to take off the intake manifold if there's anyone that really wants to champion taking it off, because these fuel injectors, as you can see, these tubes on the intake manifold right here, this fuel injector sits right below these tubes right here, and this is what shoots the gas into the engine. So some signs that you have a clogged one will be if your car is giving you some lean codes. Any lean codes could lead to you having a clogged one. And what lean actually means is you have too much air coming into your car and not enough fuel to match it. So you're getting all of this air that the turbo or your intake is bringing in, and your fuel injectors are not shooting enough fuel to match that air, so you're going to end up getting the lean code. Also, rough starts. When you try to start your car in the morning, it's going to be rough starts. And the reason why it's going to be rough starts is because you're not going to have your system primed correctly with enough fuel to start your car. So your starts are going to take a lot longer. Generally, when you're starting your Audi, it should be bam, bam, start, not bam, 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 start, if you understand what I'm saying. So that's going to be another indicator that you have a clogged fuel injector. On the flip side, inside this actual fuel injector, it's a solenoid that's powered by this plug right here. So on the flip side, if you have one that's stuck open, what's going to happen is your car is going to run rich, which means you have too much fuel and not enough air. So basically your computer normally controls how much fuel is going into your car through your mass airflow sensor. I did a video on that as well. Now, if the computer can't control how much fuel and regulate the engine's ECM to tell this to open up, it's going to be stuck open. So signs that you have one stuck open or that's generally going bad is going to be fume smells or spark plugs that look really, really kind of oily and smell gassy. And if you do a tune-up or you change your spark plugs and you notice that it looks oily or gassy, those are some indicators that your fuel injectors, the solenoid, is wearing out, or there's some fuel sliding through the solenoid. That's going to be another thing that you want to look out for, one that's stuck open. Second thing is, if you notice that your gas mileage on your vehicle is not efficient as it used to be, that can be an indicator that it's stuck open and it's shooting out way too much gas, or it just needs to be replaced or maintenance. You might want to always look out for your fuel economy, look at your average miles per gallon and see if it decreases over time. If it decreases over time, this is something that you might want to look out for as well. All right, guys, so the third thing is going to be black smoke coming out your tailpipe. When you have black smoke coming out your tailpipe, that means that you're running rich, and that means that you're shooting way too much fuel into your engine, and it's not being burned in the combustion chamber, so all of that excess fuel is pretty much going out the tailpipe. You know, a lot of times when you see people that have the anti-lag on their cars, they're actually setting up their cars to burn the fuel in the tailpipe, and that's why you hear that popping sound on a lot of exhaust. The tune pretty much doesn't burn all of the fuel, so you're burning and they retard the time, and so you have a lot of backfire, and that's pretty much just fuel inside the tailpipe. So if you're not tuned for that and you notice that you have a lot of black smoke, you're running way too rich. And when you're running too rich, you definitely can damage your catalytic converter with all of that excess gas going through there and the heat and the explosions from the burning, because it's all meant to happen in the combustion chamber, not the tailpipe. So you can buy a fuel injector cleaner from AutoZone, from O'Reilly's. And, you know, I've used them before. They do help a bit, but ultimately, if you really, really want to get it cleaned or you want to get it fixed, you really want to go ahead and just take off the intake manifold or have it service to fix. A lot of times, even these rubber seals right here can just wear out and this can cause a leakage of fuel and cause you to run lean. You know, like I said, if that solenoid is bad, that's when you really have to replace it. Or you can even soak this in some acetone or something that can just kind of, you know, clean up this right here to where it can be more efficient. So like I said, taking it off, you can deep dive this and clean it and salvage it, because these aren't too cheap at times, you know. But if you just wanted to save money and wants to be better or proactive, I suggest you put in some fuel injector cleaner before it's too late, before it turns into a problem, or just temporary. But ultimately you want to take this out. So yeah, guys, I just want to give you guys this video on signs to look out for a failing fuel injector, or one is going out, or one is bad. I hope this helped. This is a subscriber request. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share. This Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors. Peace, I'm out.